Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from my Automation channel. In this session, we will discuss few more controllers as part of JMeter series. So in the last session, we have discussed about few controllers. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier session so that you will understand this session better. Now in this session, we will discuss about random controller. Go to thread group, right click and go to add and go to logical controller and you select a random controller. Now we will bring this here after home page, and all these pages which is there from 1 to 5 or 6, we will put them under random controller. Now if I go to view results tree and clear this out, and if I run, so home page was executed, but from the random controller it has executed only one. So the reason, because random controller will select random samples or samplers from the group of samplers, and while doing this it will run only one time. It will not run multiple times. So one time it will run and it will select randomly from the group of samples. So that is a behavior of random controller. So even if I execute one more time, it will take a random samplers from that list. Now I will add another controller which is called as a interleave controller. So which is a interleave controller, and if I bring this up here now, from this interleave controller, so this both random controller and interleave controller has a similar mechanism but a small difference in the execution. Now even the interleave controller will execute one time, but it will every time if I execute the samplers, every time it will go a sequence by sequence. Like if it is in the first execution, it has taken three samples under it. So one time it will take first one, and second time it will select second one, third time it will select third one. But whereas a random controller, it will randomly select on number of samples that it has, it will select randomly. Just to see now how it works, then I will copy from page 4 to page 5 6 into interleave controller. Now if I go to view results tree and clear this out, and interleave controller, I will select this interleave across threads. Okay, now go to view results tree, and if I run it, so it has executed one time. So what I will do is I will go to random a thread group level and I will select three times. Now if I go to view results tree, you can see a random controller which is there here, random controller. Under that, page 2 got selected, not page 1, but whereas interleave controller, it has selected the first one. Now I have given the thread group as 3, right? Now if I run it, now you can see home page is same, common across all these two controllers, and it has executed three times. Now, from the random controller, the first execution here, if you see, third was selected, page 3 was selected. Then after page 3 got selected, then after page 2 got selected. Whereas interleave controller, first time it has taken a 4, second time it has taken a 5, third time it has taken a 6. So it is going sequentially, whereas random controller, it randomly selecting samplers, but interleave controller is selecting sequentially. So this is a difference between the random controller and interleave controller. So both are working functionality almost similar, but whereas the order of logic will be differs. So this kind of interview question may be asked, like what is the difference between the random controller and interleave controller? So this is the solution that we can propose. Hope you got the clear idea about the random controller and interleave controller. We'll discuss more controllers in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you.